Okay, this is all last year, so I'm not going to worry about time about the time. The average price of 20 new homes was $160,000. So let's write that up as a formula. The average price of 20 new homes was 160. So I would have to have the sum of the house prices and then divide that by 20, and that gives me 160. I don't think I'm going to use that, but whatever. 160. We're trying to figure out, did more than 9 of the 20 houses have prices that were less than the average? So do I have 9 or more house prices less than 160,000? Well, let's look at clue 1. Last year, the greatest price was 219. Well, that doesn't tell me anything about any of the other 19 houses, so that doesn't work. I just know the greatest price is 219. Clue 2. Last year, the median of 20 houses was 150. So what I've done here is I've drawn 20 blanks, and let's assume that our house prices are in increasing order, and the median is, in this case, I have an even number of house prices, so the median is going to be the average of these two right here. And that average there is 150. All right, so that means these prices to the left are going to be less than 150,000, which means either less than 150,000 or equal to 150,000. And we're trying to figure out if 9 or more houses are less than 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can answer the question, yes. 9 of the 20 houses have prices that are less than $160,000. So your answer is B, as in boy.